YOOHE 22PCS Auto Body Paintless Dent Removal Tools Kit. Bridge dent puller kits with hot melt glue gun and glue sticks. Efficient and safe to pop out dents, repair door ding and hail damages on the metal surface such as auto, motorcycle, refrigerator, washing machine, etc.No damage at the original paint. Tools coming with detailed repair steps. Introduction for operate. It makes the dent removal process so easy. These paintless dent removal tools kit not only good for professional auto repair people using it shop, but also suitable for family people do paintless dent repair. Instead of spending hundreds of money in body shops, our paintless dent removal tools kit can help you repair your cars by yourself for many times, so it can save a lot of money for you compared with the auto body shops. Most pro and comprehensive paintless dent removal tools kit, including all the classic and popular tools. Great service. You can return back to Amazon and take back your money if meet any quality problem. No worry about waste the money. Click the link in the description to get this product.